Penguin. Penguin brothers rule. No. Us animals rule. We have half skin. So do we. You guys are animals. So are you. We're cuter than you. I'll kill you. You killed me? No. Kill the frog. Kill the frog. So kill the frog. Boink, 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 boink. We'll kill you. No, you don't do it right. No, you don't do it right. You gotta go and say, I kill you. Like that. Oh, for Pete's sake. I kill you. Watch this. Owie! Pinched me! Oh yeah? Well, that's something kind of fair. I'll go and knock your friend off. Oh, how are you gonna do that? Oh, easy. We missed. Throw another one. Oh, this will be easy. We missed. This will be easy. Alright. You mother! Oh, I bet you can't say that to all the thing, can we? What, you think we're chickens? I don't care, even if she is one. Oh, that's a boy. I know, he is so sissy, isn't he? Oh, whatever. We kill you.